Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, has constituted two 5-judge constitution benches to deal with 8 cases of constitutional importance. The first constitution bench comprises of Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, and Justices Dinesh Maheshwari, S. Ravindra Bhat, Bela M Trivedi, and J.B. Pardiwala. Whereas the second constitution bench comprises of Justices Indira Banerjee, Hemant Gupta, Surya Kant, M. Sundaresh, and Sudhashnu Dhulia. In an important development today, the 5-judge constitution bench comprising Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, and Justices Dinesh Maheshwari, S. Ravindra Bhat, Bela M Trivedi, and J.B. Pardiwala has decided to start hearing in the cases challenging the constitutional validity of reservation for economically weaker sections and the reservation given for Muslims in Andhra Pradesh as a socially and economically backward class on September 13th and September 14th this year. The bench said that the hearing in the matters will commence from September 13th this year. The bench today also decided to list these matters next Tuesday, that is on September 6th, to set the timeline for the hearing and for the completion of other pre-hearing steps. So what is this case exactly all about? The case pertains to the Muslim socially and economically backward class reservation in a 2005 civil appeal which raises the issue as to whether Muslims as a community can be declared socially and educationally backward for the purpose of Articles 15 and 16 of the Constitution of India. The other case relates to the validity of the Constitutional 103rd Amendment Act of 2019, which introduced the provision for reservation to economically weaker sections. The bench has agreed to take up these matters together as the issues in this case are overlapping. The bench will take up the economically weaker sections first, followed by the case relating to the Muslim socially and economically backward class quota. The bench today also appointed 4 lawyers as nodal counsels who will see that common compilations in both the cases are filed. The compilations should include all the documents, statutory instruments, case laws, and other such important materials that the court has to rely upon. This 5-judge constitution bench had listed 4 matters today for issuing pre-hearing directions. Apart from the 2 which we have already discussed, the other 2 cases which it is slated to hear are: number 1, an appeal filed by the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, that is the SGPC, challenging the decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court regarding reservation for Sikh students within the SGPC managed institutions under the minority quota. On December 17, 2007, the Punjab and Haryana High Court had struck down a notification issued by the Punjab government on April 13, 2001, which permitted the SGPC to give 50% reservation to Sikh students in colleges run by it on grounds that Sikhs were a minority community. The other petitions relate to the division of the Supreme Court into appellate and constitutional divisions with regional benches to the former. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhaumik for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates as we bring to you important updates regarding the hearings that are to be conducted today. Thank you.